Tourism 2. We welcome you to Tourism 2. Hey everybody, it's another episode of Tourism 2 with Melissa
and Mary Tom.
And we are here to encourage you to visit clevelandtn.com. We're an exciting new business in Cleveland called AR Workshop. And you know those signs that you see that have cute little sayings?
All over Pinterest.
Yes. They help you make your own here. And also they'll help you make chunky knit blankets out of this soft material. It's so nice. So it's so exciting. They're about to open.
March the 2nd, and we're right down the street from the museum center. I can see the mural right out the window there.
So let's find out what AR Workshop's all about. Let's go meet the owner. Okay, we are at one of the workstations at AR Workshop here with Misty Brown, the owner of this new business in Cleveland. Misty, tell us all about your new venture here.
Sure. So AR Workshop is a boutique DIY workshop. You come in, we have over 700 designs, and you can customize them with your family name, all of your information around your home and things of that nature. All of our colors are home oriented, so Sherwin-Williams colors, they match your home, so you can pair your colors really well. And we do everything from wood signs to canvas pillows, totes, aprons. We also have specialty classes with chunky knit blanket workshops where you come in and make a nice little blanket. We also have jewelry stamping, hand lettering classes, and collaborations with other local artists in town to do succulents and planting and things of that nature. So we have lots of different options. Our classes are Tuesday through Saturday. Tuesday through Friday is in the afternoon, typically around 6 p.m., and they last about 3 hours. We'll offer 3 classes on Saturday, an early, a midday, and an evening. So it's great for family night, date night, girls' night out. We do birthday parties for kids. So we are kid friendly. Our stain is eco-friendly. So it's non-toxic, soy-based. It doesn't have any odor to it, and so it's really good for the children. It doesn't have that real strong odor that typical stains do. And
so it's fun and not stinky.
Yes, it's
That's
not
what I got out of
stinky
that.
at all.
And so if they have a birthday party or a shower or something, can they bring their own food?
They can. So we are BYO, so you can bring your own wine, you can bring your own food, your own decorations. You can come in early, you can decorate the shop however you would like. So you can reserve private tables, you can reserve the entire workshop if you have a team building event or something of that nature. So we are really, really accommodating and lots of fun.
Well, so we have our interns with us, Caroline and Daniel. We're gonna work on some fun project, but before we do that, we want to tell you about the opening because it's gonna be opening soon. So Missy,
Yes.
Tell us about that.
So our opening is March the 2nd. It's from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Just come in anytime that you like. We'll have some sips and sweets. We'll have live music. We'll have little make and takes, so you can come in and kind of sample this out and see what it's about. We'll have drawings with a grand prize of a free table, which is an over $400 value. So lots of great promotions and giveaways going on at the event.
So do they need to register for that?
They can, so you can register online. It's arworkshop.com/Cleveland, Tennessee, and you can find, Cleveland TN. You can find our schedule there and you can register, or you can just drop in. It's really up to you.
She also has a great little retail area. It's got such cute things. You need to come in and see it. So that's all the time that we have. We're gonna get to work. We didn't want to leave without showing you our soft blankie that we made at AR Workshop. It's made out of this really soft material. This becomes a cool blankie.
Yes, it's so warm.
So don't forget the grand opening. And
March
it's when?
2nd.
March 2nd.
And we have all the information on our website. Visit clevelandtn.com.
And be sure and like us on Facebook, visit our website, and we will see you next time on Tourism 2. Bye.
Bye.